Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are fine and healthy. So today, let's sing a nice song. Come on children, let's have fun together. So here we go. When the slippery snake one day, when the slippery snake, when the slippery snake one day, and they all went. But we know the snakes go chooby dooby doo, chooby dooby doo, chooby dooby doo. But the snakes go chooby dooby doo, and they don't go. Now, wiggle, wiggle, went the little starfish one day. Wiggle, wiggle, went the little starfish. Wiggle, wiggle, went the little starfish. And they all went wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. But we know the starfish goes wavy, wavy, wave. Wavy, wavy, wave. Wavy, wavy, wave. We know the starfish goes wavy, wavy, wave. And they don't go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Waddle, waddle, went the little fluffy penguin. Waddle, waddle, went the little fluffy penguin. Waddle, waddle, went the little fluffy penguin. And they all went waddle, waddle, waddle. But we know the penguins go splish, splash, splash. Splish, splash, splash. Splish, splash, splash. But we know the penguins go splish, splash, splash. And they don't go waddle, waddle, waddle. Yay! I hope children you all enjoyed this song. And now, today we are going to learn a shape. And which is that? Look children what I'm going to get now. Abracadabra, gilly, gilly, choo. Yes, I got a shape which has 10 sides. And this shape, this 10-sided polygon is known as decagon. So children, let's count and check. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So decagon has 10 sides. And now with our elephant ears and magnet eyes, we all are going to see the decagon shape. Come on. Check your elephant ears. And magnet eyes. So here we go. Children, the shape is a decagon shape. And now we are going to see the next slide. Oh, again, and let's count the sides. Remember, teacher told you decagon has 10 sides. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we are going to see the objects that are decagon in shape. So look children, this is a plate which is in a decagon shape. Yes? And now let's see the next one. Wow, it's a table, decagon shape. It has 10 sides. And now let's see the next one. Oh wow, it's a coin. Coin has 10 sides. It is in decagon shape. And now, wow, dum, dum, dum. Wow, it's a drum. And this drum has 10 sides and it is in a decagon shape. Wow. Oh, what's this? It's a poster. Very nice. And it also has 10 sides. You want to count and see? Let's check. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it's in decagon shape. The coaster is in decagon shape. And now it's time for the activity. Come on, let's have lots of fun. So what we have to do? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So here we go. We're going to have lots of fun with this game. Let's check it out. Oh, let's see. Oh, we got it. Let's wait and watch. Oh, now teacher's going to ask you some question and you're going to tell me whether it is true or false. Okay? So, children, the table is an octagon. Remember, children, octagon has 8 sides. But we have learned today decagon, and decagon has 10 sides. So, is it true or false? Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, the table is an octagon. True or false? False. Yes, we are correct. And now look at the shape. Oh, it's a pentagon. And pentagon has 10 sides? No, a pentagon has 5 sides. So this is false. So we are correct. Now look at this. The shape of this coin is a decagon. I think no. No. Oh, oops, we got it wrong. That's okay, children. Next time we'll count the sides and check. Now count the sides to see if it's a decagon. So here we have to count and check. Come on, let's start with red color. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it's a decagon. So true. Wow. Now children, you have to answer me. Decagon has 10 sides. Yes or no? True or false? True. Wonderful. And now a pentagon has 10 sides. Yes, I know the answer. It's false. No. Oh, yes, we got it correct. Now the shape of this coin is a decagon. Let's see. Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, the answer is true. And now let's play it very fast. Come on, children. The table is an octagon. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, I think yes. Oh, oops, we got it wrong. Oh, children, we have to be very careful. Now, decagon has 10 sides. Yes, true. Count the sides to see if it's decagon. No, I don't think so. Can we make it true or false? I think false. Oh, we got it wrong. Remember, children, we all have to count and check. So that's okay. Now let's see what home play fun we are going to have with our parents. Wow, so children, you all are going to tell your parents to draw a decagon shape on the floor with a tape or a chalk. Then what you will do? You will hop on each side of the decagon. And remember, once you hop, you will count the sides of the same. So have lots of fun, children. And now it's time for teacher to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, 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 goodbye to everyone. It's time for us to say goodbye. It's time for us to say Say goodbye.